iqair.com/US or call 888-409-6202. That's iqair.com/US or call 888-409-6202.
Pressure to find more weather specialists in counting.
Man, this is going to be a big job. We're going to need a bigger team.
Indeed can help them hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. We instantly connect you with quality candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job description. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
KCBS News Time 11:40. When we think of the Bay Area, we typically don't think segregation, but as KCBS's Jennifer Hodges reports, that's exactly what is happening in several local neighborhoods.
According to a report from the nonprofit Bay Area Equity Atlas, the Bay Area is fairly segregated.
We did this study to understand segregation in the Bay Area, not only in terms of race and ethnicity, but also income.
Abby Langston is the director of Equitable Economy at Policy Link. She says 1 in 10 Bay Area neighborhoods are segregated.
First of all, I want to say that it is widespread. So in 7 of the 9 counties in the Bay Area, there were these areas of segregation, particularly concentrated in San Francisco, Contra Costa, and San Mateo County.
So what can we learn from this?
I think the takeaway is that, we are a very wealthy region. There's a lot of opportunity. There are a lot of resources here, but they are, not everyone has access to them.
And she says knowing that can help change policy. Jennifer Hodges, KCBS.
The A's and Giants both played extra innings today. We'll tell you about it. Sports in 90 seconds.
Individual rates, coverage offerings, and savings may vary, subject to terms and conditions. Not available in all areas. Actual by customer.
Workers crush a small business. Every year would jump 5, 10, 15, 20%, even though there was never claims. And that's where I was struggling as a growing business.
That's Mike Lozier, owner of Gutter Plumber, a small business in New Jersey. A while back, Mike found his workers' comp costs rising. Luckily, he discovered Pi Insurance.
From start to finish, it was extremely easy. They quickly came back to me with a plan that was affordable for me.
Are you Just go to trypi.com, share a few details about your business, and you can save up to 30% with no hassle or hidden fees. Like Mike, we think you'll be glad you did.
I'm very happy that I moved over to Pi for my workers' comp so that I can grow my company while not breaking the bank.
Find out how much you could save with Pi Insurance. Ask your agent or get a quote at trypi.com. That's TRYPIE.com. They've committed some terrible crimes, and now they are learning what it really means to apologize.
For being responsible of the death of your father, I am deeply sorry.
And KCBS reporter Kathy Novak joined me all next week inside Soledad State Prison, starting Monday right here on the Bay Area's #1 news station, KCBS, and streaming live on the Odyssey app.
Coming up on KCBS,
This is Dan Mitchinson. Why California's record low unemployment rate and strong job market could be coming to an end.
KCBS News Time 11:45. Time now for sports baseball action Saturday. The A's walked it off at the Coliseum, beating Seattle in 10 innings, 4-3. The Giants also played 10 innings at Colorado. Unfortunately for them, they lost 4-3 to the Rockies. Preseason football, 49ers won at Minnesota 17-7. The Las Vegas Raiders won at Miami 15-13. With more sports, here's Ted Ramey.
Former NFL player turned analyst Lorenzo Neal was on Odyssey sister station 95.7 The Game. He thinks the 49ers' time is now.
This team is ready to win, and win now. And I think they can win with this quarterback because he's not going to have to go out and necessarily. But the difference is he can can make a play on 3rd and 3 when all else breaks down. You know he's elusive that you hold your breath and say, this guy can make a play.
And he points specifically to Lance's ability to make something happen with his legs.
Once he learns how to slide, you saw him slide, it was great, had a big play, got down. If he learns, continues to develop those things, and it's going to wear pieces out, it's going to make them tired, it's going to make them down on 3rd down, they're going to have to hit, they're going to have to read it, they're going to have to stay up, and it's going to give him more time in the pocket. You're going to see a lot of success start to happen because of what he can do with his legs.
Most sports books list the 49ers as having the 7th best odds to win the Super Bowl this year, behind the Bills, Chiefs, Rams, Packers, and Chargers. At the sports desk, Deb Ramey, KCBS.
This summer is the perfect time to hit the open road in a new Chevy. Find exciting new possibilities, new perspectives, and new ways to have fun in the sun. With its impressive towing capability, Chevy Silverado is open to taking the boat out and making some waves. With its off-road capabilities and an EPA estimated 33 miles per gallon highway, Chevy Trailblazer is open to new points of view. And with its many safety features and an EPA estimated 31 miles per gallon highway, Chevy Equinox is open to weekend getaways with confidence in every drive. Start a summer of adventure and see how a new Chevy can help you go a little farther. Find new roads at your local Chevy dealer. 2022 Chevy Trailblazer front-wheel drive, EPA estimated 29 miles per gallon city, 33 highway with 1.3-liter engine. 2022 Chevy Equinox front-wheel drive, EPA estimated 26 miles per gallon city, 31 highway with 1.5-liter engine.
Late on a Saturday night, we check those roads once again with Frank Munich. Well, we are rechecking a couple of problems. We're going to go back out to Sunnyvale for a problem on northbound 280. At Saratoga Avenue, we still have reports that the Saratoga Avenue off-ramp from north remains shut down in the wake of a crash there. Our other major problem has been on southbound 280 just before Bird Avenue, where we still don't yet have firm confirmation that the 2 left lanes have reopened. We have had those shut down in the wake of an injury crash. New crash being reported in Marin County. This is northbound 101, just past St. Vincent Drive. That is a crash blocking the far right lane. And now a new report of a problem on the Richmond-San Rafael Bridge. This is in the eastbound direction of 580. No firm location as to where it is on the bridge, but we have a 2-car crash on the shoulder. Your next update at 11:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS. Here's your KCBS 6-day forecast. Tomorrow, it'll be mostly cloudy at the coast with mid-80s to low 90s. Monday will be the sunniest and warmest day of the next 6 days, with highs ranging from the low 70s at the coast to the mid-90s inland, and then for the rest of the week, a little bit cloudier, highs 60s at the coast, 70s to low 80s along the bay, mostly low 90s inland. Right now in San Francisco, it's 57 degrees in San Mateo and Corte Madera. It's 59 degrees in Cupertino, 64 degrees. In Concord, it's 73 degrees. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. Dixie Clay is at the KCBS editor's desk. KCBS News Time, 11:50. California's unemployment rate is the lowest we've seen since the mid-70s, but as KCBS's Dan Mitchinson reports, it's probably not sustainable.
The numbers have been going down for the last couple of years, says Michael Burdick, former director for the Employment Development Department, but there are other indicators
years. Some come in now at more than $6.
Everything. I mean, not everything, but most things are going up. I mean, I do work buying stuff, so it's inflation. I think it's probably not so long of things staying pretty much where they were.
Matt and his family are regulars at Joy Up. He says they even got an email ahead of the price hike as a heads up.
Doesn't bother me. There's local kids and people working in here, right? Like, it's expensive to live here, so I get it.
The owners in their letter said they pay the staff beyond just a livable wage and said that costs on average from paper goods to pepperoni have increased by 20%. Yermino Coca is the founder of the website theartofmakingpizza.com. He's a pizzaiolo in upstate New York, where he says average slice prices are just below ours.
Definitely inflation and supply chain issues. Diesel is definitely a huge factor. Diesel kind of dictates a lot of the pricing, primarily because everything needs to be transported.
But he says he doesn't see people giving up pizza anytime soon. In Berkeley, Megan Goldstein, KCBS.
The new survey has determined that the happiest city in America is Concord, California. An analysis released Thursday by HouseFresh.com, a site focused on residential air quality, placed Concord #1 in the nation. The methodology for the survey, though, was interesting to say the least. It was based on how many people in each city or state in America were smiling in their Instagram selfies. So, apparently, people in Fremont in their selfies smiled a lot because it's the happiest city in America. Congratulations, Concord. You go down to the money tent. Wealthy Americans are flocking to Florida at 4 times the rate of... I'm Jeff Colvin of Fortune Magazine with the Fortune Business Update. The wealthy like Florida for what it has, warm weather and lots of beaches, and what it doesn't have, a state income tax. That's largely why it has welcomed more high earners than any other state, says a new analysis from Smart Asset, which helps people find financial advisors. The report analyzed IRS data on net migration among U.S. households earning over $200,000 annually. Florida's net influx of 20,000 high-income households from 2019 to 2020 was nearly 4 times the number for the second most popular state, Texas, which also has no state income tax, and Arizona, which came in a close third. The pandemic may have accelerated the trend. More people decided to retire, and the rise of remote work unshackled employees from the office, so they can live wherever they like. I'm Jeff Goldman.
Sleeping soundly is one of the cornerstones to good health, and tossing and turning that can be so frustrating. Having the right bed can really help, though, like the Sleep Number 360 smart bed. My Sleep Number setting is still 50, and it gives me just a little bit of give at the shoulders and hips. That means better body alignment, and I sleep more soundly. Plus, the Sleep Number 360 smart bed includes Sleep IQ technology, so you can track your sleep on your smartphone. Last night, my sleep score was 82, and you know sleepers who use their 360 smart bed technology enjoy 20 minutes of more restful sleep per night, and that's up to 170 hours per year. Don't miss Sleep Number's weekend special. All smart beds are on sale. Save 50% on the Sleep Number 360 limited edition smart beds, plus free delivery when you add a base. Ends Sunday, August 22nd, only at Sleep Number stores or at sleepnumber.com. Sleep Number, the official sleep and wellness partner of the NFL. Stores are in Corte Madera at the Corte Madera Town Center and in Redwood City, El Camino Real between Whipple and Hopkins. Tell them Kim Wonderly sent you. Fremont Bank. If there's one thing we understand more than anybody, it's that it takes a local bank to really get the needs of local businesses. And more than anything, local businesses need access. Access to a knowledgeable banker and access to a full suite of business services. Can't come to the bank? We'll come to you. Our devotion to our clients ensures your business